Hi guys, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is gonna sell like crazy because of how amazing the device is gonna be. We're also gonna talk about the US pricing of the S22 series, and it's not pretty. Before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So we'd previously seen the European prices of all three variants of the S22 series, and for the most part, it's gonna remain the same as the S21 prices. So everyone thought Samsung was gonna keep the prices the same as the S21 series in the United States, with a starting price of $799 for the S22 and $1199 for the S22 Ultra, just like the S21 Ultra. But it turns out that might not be the case. According to a leaked Google review, the S22 series is gonna come in at $100 more than the S21 series. So $899 for the S22, $1099 for the S22 Plus, and $1299 for the S22 Ultra, which is absolutely ridiculous because you can get a Pixel 6 Pro for the price of the base S22, and you can get an iPhone 13 Pro Max for the price of the S22 Plus. Now, I think Samsung is doing this just to make the S22 Ultra look like a really good deal, much like what they did with the Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. The Note 20 was watered down and overpriced to make the Note 20 Ultra look like a steal, and Samsung is using the same tactics again with the S22 series. The S22 Ultra is the star of the show. It's gonna be the best of all three devices and will sell like hotcakes because Samsung starved its loyal Note fans last year with the absence of the Note 21 Ultra. So by combining the S and Note series into one device, the S22 Ultra, Samsung is also combining its fanbase and pushing their attention to just one device. So the loyal Note fans who have been starved of an upgrade from last year and are hungry for a new Note device, in combination with S-series fans who are looking to upgrade from the S20 Ultra or S21 Ultra, and knowing they'll get the benefits of the Note with no drawback makes it an even better deal. So there are a lot of people willing and eager to snatch up the S22 Ultra, and Samsung knows this. That's why they're producing more of the S22 Ultra. The S22 Ultra alone makes up 70% of the total S-series production. That is more than double the production of the S22 and S22 Plus combined. The S22 is going to take up 20% and the S22 Plus 10%. And by pricing the S22 Plus ridiculously high, people would just rather add some money and get the S22 Ultra. But again, the prices are from Google reviews, so I'd say take it with a grain of salt. Let me know which S22 device you're willing to buy at that price. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more S22 updates. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.